heard that, but Len just yelled to take the dog outside. Anyways, hi everyone. I'm here with Hunter on this very stressful live video that I'm literally terrible. I was just rushing to try to get this ready because I procrastinated. And if I was working for live TV right now, I'd be fired. So
what does procrastinating?
Procrastinating is when you know you have something to do that's very important, but you wait and don't do it, and you still don't do it until it's the very last minute, and then you decide maybe now would be a good time to do it. So that's kind of what I did. I mean, anyways, moving on. Welcome. Hi, Melody. You can see the names of people right there as they show up.
Oh.
So maybe you can monitor that a little bit and just wave at people when they arrive.
Wait, is the screen gonna fill up with names?
Oh, I don't think so. I don't really know how it works when the room gets full. So here we are. I'm just gonna wait a few minutes with my wonderful son, Hunter, here, who so graciously offered his presence in this video. And we're gonna wait for maybe a couple more people to arrive, but I'm sure a lot of you will probably be watching this later, just because I know that it's not always possible to rush to the computer for a live video announcement. But I'm very excited about the winners that I'm going to be announcing today. And Hunter just woke up not too long ago, so. Because we went to a big festival last night, and yeah, that was fun, right? Kind of weird. Yeah, it was kind of weird. There was some weirdness to it. But that's Montreal, right? So anyway, I'll just talk a little bit about the coloring book. Hey, Melody. I have some kids watching me. Oh, awesome. Yes. I remember your drawings very well. Welcome, welcome. Okay, so the coloring book, in case you're not familiar with what we've done here, the coloring book, oh, they can't see that. You don't have to get on your tippy toes. They don't see those. Hang on. I'll just try to, I think they'll, oh, there we go. But then that's quiet mode, so we won't see when people arrive. So I'm just gonna leave it. Okay, so the coloring book is called What Makes Me Happy. And I don't actually have it yet because it's still in production, but I'm really happy with it. It's 171 pages long. And the reason that I decided to do this coloring book was so that I could show kids that it is possible to publish your work, and that working together we could make something really cool. So, and actually I have to make a special mention about Hunter, because Hunter put in, I think, how many drawings? A lot of the coloring book is Hunter's, but because of the fact that he's my son, I told him that he wasn't going to be able to win. So that was a little bit disappointing. Right? I'm sorry. But I thought that might not look very fair if my own kid wins. So I just I put his drawings in, but he wasn't in the runnings. But I decided that maybe we could do a coloring book just of Hunter's drawings, because Hunter really loves drawing too. And so, yeah, that's the thing. So when you see the coloring book, you're going to see that there's a lot of drawings by Hunter. But, yeah. Anyways, so I wanted to show that by working together, we can make something really cool. I also wanted to show all the different styles of drawings that kids have. Because when I was a kid, I used to have this magazine subscription, and it was called Highlights. Have you ever read Highlights?
No.
No? I think you did. I think you were playing one of the games in it at Marmy's.
Oh.
You know where you have to find the little pictures? The search and find? Yeah, at the table with Muriel and them.
I don't remember.
Don't remember. I don't remember. So anyway, I had this magazine, and at the back was all these drawings by kids, and it would say, you know, by so and so. Oh, hi, Sherry. Hi. Let's wave at Sherry. Hi. At the back, it would show all these drawings by kids, and it would show their name, and it would show their age, and I just found that so fascinating. And I'd be like, oh, she's the same age as me. She draws so much better than me. or wow, that 4-year-old kid drew that. And so that's kind of maybe a little bit of the inspiration behind this coloring book. So as you look through the coloring book, you're gonna see all different ages of people. Some people didn't want to include their age. All different locations. Even some people from really far away, like off the continent, submitted some drawings, like South Africa. And yeah. So it's really, I'm really excited. Hello, she says hello. All right, so I'm just kind of waiting a couple more minutes. Maybe a couple more people will be able to sign in. But I took way longer to make this than I thought I was gonna take, and I wanted to have it done in a few months, and it ended up taking over a year. So long process, and the reason was because every single drawing that came in, I put in the coloring book. So some people gave them to me on paper, some people texted them, some people emailed them, and some of them were drawn really faintly, and so I had to edit every single drawing that went into the coloring book, so that's why it took so long. And I'm doing this on the side too, so...
Well, when she edited them, they don't look any different. She just made them darker.
That's right, yes. I kept the drawings exactly as they were, but sometimes I had to like clean up the white part and stuff, so it was long. Just
so that you're able to color it.
Yeah, exactly. What's your favorite? Do you know? Is it one of your own?
I don't think I can pick one of my own.
Sure you can.
I can?
Sure.
Well, my favorite of my own? There's a lot, but I think it would be the snake.
Oh, yes.
Because
snake.
When I went to a certain house of my cousins...
At Christmas.
Yeah, at Christmas. I had gotten a big art kit thing, and I set it all up in the house, and then I just started drawing a bunch of little tiny, like, triangles and shapes and stuff. And then
inside the snake, like in the snake skin.
So, when you see that, you might like it.
Mm-hmm.
And I pressed really hard, so I don't think my mom needed to edit it.
Yeah, it was really good. Okay, so let me see.
Would you like to tell the winner?
I will. Yes, I'm going to tell the winner. First, what? Oh. Okay. Yes. We have, you know, I just realized I should have shared this on my personal page. I'm sorry about that. I'll share it after. Some people are going to watch it a little bit late. But 1 second. Oh, shoot.
She is finding the winning picture.
This is the winner. I'm just kidding. This is actually done by my dad. Can you see that? My dad, who's 58 years old, thought it would be hilarious, and it is, to submit a drawing to the coloring book, and it's a stick man.
You can't color it.
So I want to see your guys' creativity with this drawing.
Try to color it.
Yeah, like
try.
I guess it will be all background, or maybe they could add clothing and hair.
Doesn't he already have hair?
Yeah, he does.
Or like a big hat.
His head's exploding or something. I don't know. So good job, Dad! We're just kidding, though. You're not actually the winner. We just wanted to mention that because it's hilarious. Okay.
The real winner.
The real winner. Wait. Oh, you made airplanes out of them. Creative. Okay. So I want to tell first what the winners are going to get, just in case you don't know. So the top 3 winners are all going to receive a coloring book. I was originally only going to give a coloring book to the first place, but now everybody's getting a coloring book, an art kit, and the first place winner is actually the cover of the coloring book. So, having said that, I guess we're going to get right to it. We're going to announce the winners of the coloring book contest that has taken a year. And flying in, I think, is the 3rd place. Right? Is that 3rd place? So 3rd place is... That's my drum roll. Oh, Brayden McKnight. 3rd place. Hold that up so if he starts watching. And I will show you his submission. Oof. His submission is pretty amazing.
His submission is the one that I voted for.
Yes, Hunter loves this one. So this is his drawing. He did an amazing job. And how old is he?
He's
11. So at 11, to be able to draw like this, I think is incredible. So way to go, Brayden. Good job. That is just so impressive. And I'm like, this kid's gonna have a career for sure in art because that's just so good, right?
And so now the paper not airplane is going to drift away.
And there we go. So Brayden, we will be getting you your prize as soon as possible. Yes. Okay. Hello, Aunt Jody. My Aunt Jody's watching. She's your aunt too. Remember staying at her house?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We play with Legos.
Yes. And she showed us that awesome trick on how to clean up Legos.
What? I don't even remember that.
Like, always
Sorry.
play on a blanket, and then when you're done, you can just... And then we do that every time.
Yeah, it's so easy.
She sent us a heart. Look. Oh. All right. So flying in is the 2nd place winner.
Oh no, it crashed.
Oh no, it didn't crash. The 2nd place winner of the coloring book art contest goes to...
Yeah, you can read it yourself.
Muriel Vanderhyde.
My cousin.
And just to be clear, she is my niece, but I did not have a say in the final tally of the votes. I chose 15 finalists.
And then a bunch of other people chose a number.
Non-biased people, so people that were not in the contest already. I sent all of their artwork out, and I asked them to pick their top 3. And so this is how it went. So what does this say? Oh, is it lagging? I'm so sorry. Oh, I'm sorry if it's not working so well. I'm in the basement. It should be okay. My connection should be all right, but okay, so congratulations, Muriel. We're going to show her artwork right now. Oops. What's that? Daddy's photos. Okay. All right, so this is Muriel's artwork submission for What Makes Me Happy.
And I think it's rabbits and balloons. It makes sense.
It's so sweet. I love it so much. So way to go. Way to go, Muriel. Now, the big announcement. The number 1 first place winner who's getting their artwork on the cover of the coloring book is flying in right now.
You keep saying the same thing.
I don't know. You can help. You need to help me out. Oh, I'm not so good at live.
not the best, but I'm horrible at it. Because
Well-
wait, have I ever done this?
I don't know. I think so. I think you're pretty good. All right, let's do a drum roll for the first place winner of the coloring book drawing contest that took me way too long to complete.
That isn't an airplane anymore.
It is Sydney Clark.
Congratulations.
Woo woo! Sydney Clark, your artwork has made the cover of the art club coloring book called What Makes Me Happy. Let's zoom it in a little bit. There we go.
And what is it? A wolf or a fox or a dog or any type of animal you might think it is.
You can color it however you want, right?
Except it's not a hippo.
We know that. Dun da da! Wow. I love this. And I'm trying to get an angle that you can see. So sorry.
My
Here
mom
it
voted
is.
for you. So
Yes, I actually thought that this should be the winner. But like I said, I did not have a say in the final choice. So I put it in, kind of hoping in the 15 that it was going to win, and it got first place. So way to go, Sydney, age 13. Oh, and I didn't mention Muriel's 12. So we got an 11-year-old and a 12-year-old and a 13-year-old that won. And they're all from Ontario.
wait. 11, 12, 13.
Yeah. 11 is Brayden, right?
I know, but
At least
it's
he
perfect
was when
order.
he submitted it.
It's
Yeah.
perfect order.
Amazing. Yes, I can't wait to color it too. And I'm also going to do another live video when I reveal the coloring book itself. So every artwork that was submitted was put in the coloring book. So congratulations to all of you, because all of you have published artwork now in a real coloring book that's going to be sold on Amazon. So hooray for everybody. Let's give them a hand.
Hi. A new person just started watching.
Oh, there we go.
Right when we finish.
Yeah. Well, this video is going to be online forever. Well, for as long as we want. So you can all watch it and see who the winners were. I'm going to post a picture from all the winners. And I'll also post a picture of the 15 finalists that I chose. And yeah, this was really exciting, really a long process. But
And really tiring.
Yeah. I'm super happy I did it though. And what was I gonna say? Oh, I want to make a ton of books. Like that's my goal for the art club, is to have a full library, a full bookstore of books for you to choose from. So this coloring book adds to that. I think this will be the third book now that I've published. Escape from Techville, The Baby and the Balloon, and now What Makes Me Happy, a collaborative coloring book. So, are you finished? He's finished. He's done. All right. Well, thank you so much for all of you, who watched this live video. And yes, of course, adults can have this coloring book as well. I think coloring books are more popular with adults these days than they are with kids. Probably because we grew up on coloring books. So anyway, I'll keep you posted. So dramatic. Thank you for watching once again, and I will see you right here very soon on the Art Club. Stay tuned to see this video in a couple of minutes.